Hi mga friends! Welcome back to our channel, Fluidity of Life. Andito na naman tayo sa ating cooking session. Kuno. Bitaw. By the way, ang lutuin natin ngayon, ang gawin natin ngayon ay Atsara. Green Papaya Atsara. Kasi may nakita ako sa Oriental Store. Ang maalaala ko niyan noon, nung nasa probinsya pa kami sa baryo, tuwing fiesta, bispiras ng fiesta, nako, busy na ang nanay ko kagagawa, banggod, kami ang taga banggod, gawa ng atsara. Kasi meron kaming puno ng papaya, ang daming bunga. Ang mga kapitbahay namin doon manghingi. Tuwing piyesta talaga yan, merong hindi mawala atsara. Kasi pampaalis ng umay or sa Bisaya pa langigngig sa humba ang baboy or adobo or lechon. Yun talaga ang partner atsara kasi manamis-namis, maalat-alat, at saka maasim. So, perfect sa mga matabang baboy, mahumba, at saka pritong isda na rin. These are the ingredients, mga kaibigan. 3/4 of this green papaya. Peel this and then grate it. And same with this, I'm not using the whole thing. Red bell pepper and green bell pepper, half of each of this. And then julienne, all of this julienne except the garlic. I'm just gonna chop it finely. So this is ginger, carrots, green bell pepper, and red bell pepper, and the papaya, and of course vinegar, white vinegar, white sugar, ground black pepper, and salt. This is all. I'm done grating. That's a lot of work. Oh well, I'm done. See, then next gonna put anong pang term nito? How do you call this, An? Put a lot of salt. Kasi may dagta to eh. You, with the help of the salt, you'll get rid of that dagta. We call it dagta.
Get the liquid out?
Yeah, and that it's called dagta, or the, you know, that I don't know what dagta.
Dehydrate?
And then squeeze the liquid as much as you can, and soak it for like and soak it in water for like 2 hours, and then squeeze again or rinse it and really squeeze the
You want the liquid out.
See?
Yeah, that's got a lot of liquid. Look at that.
Yep.
Like cucumbers, huh?
Yeah. A lot of water. water
Interesting.
content. Okay,
Yeah.
you can squeeze this out.
An eternity later.
So I squeeze out the water, squeeze the water out, and then soak this for at least 2 hours. And then rinse again, and then
So you put
if
salt.
you have a cheesecloth, so you can really squeeze the water out really good, but I don't
So
know.
you put salt to get rid of the liquid inside the fruit itself,
Yeah,
and then you put water back in it to get rid of the salt flavor,
yeah.
and then
Let it set for 2
Mhm.
hours or so.
Okay.
Sterilize the jar, and then I'm gonna prep the peppers and carrots. See you later. My jar is sterilizing. Here's the rinsed, squeezed, grated green papaya. Now we're gonna mix the bell pepper. By the way, malinis kamay ko, guys. Nagugas ako kamay. Clean my hands. Everything put in here. And I'll save a little bit of this this one for decoration. Ginger and garlic. Mix everything. Oh, I forgot. I gonna add a small box of raisin too. So mix, mix, mix. There, 1 box of small raisins. If you love raisins, go ahead, you can put 2. Or if you don't want raisins, didn't like raisins, it's optional. You don't have to. I think it's fully mixed now. Now we can go ahead and prepare the brine. In here, 2 cups of vinegar, white vinegar, 1 1/3 cups of white sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt and pepper, ground black pepper, and then let it boil. Stir until the sugar dissolves. After everything mixed together, then you make the brine. Kumulo na yon. Halo. Tapos lagay mo na yung vegetable sa dito sa jar. Tapos pag kumulo na, ibuhos mo dito. Pour it in here, and voila. You got your Atsara papaya. Now I'm hungry for fried galunggong or fried pork chop. Perfect. Bye! Don't forget to subscribe, Fluidity of Life. Hope you enjoy. See you next time. Bye.